Good afternoon, Mheshimiwa Rogony.
Good afternoon, Katwa.
We are meeting again.
Yes.
Yes. Just for the information of the honorable senators, you are similarly the person who moved the motion in September 2024, isn't it?
That is true.
And you moved this one.
And I'm again the mover.
This time?
This time again.
Yes, and when we were in the county assembly, you said you will move another one, isn't it?
No, perhaps this will be the last one if we will successfully.
Okay. But your mission in the assembly is to remove him, isn't it?
Not my
when
mission.
When you are elected, you took it that this is the mission to remove the governor.
Of course, if this house finds him liable.
Kasim Tani, one of your recommendations was that the EACC to investigate, isn't it?
That is true.
It's true. And you're aware that the governor instructed his people to hand over all the documents for the EACC investigations?
I'm not aware.
You don't know that the EACC is investigating?
That's what you are now raising here?
You don't know that?
Yes. Okay. Remember, I sat in this committee.
Okay. Does it reduce your appetite to impeach the governor, or it still remains the same?
Now we have the officers who were involved.
Okay. Yeah, so this project was under lands, isn't it?
No, the two municipalities, not lands. We have the municipality of Kericho and Litain, and the two are supposed to be very independent.
Eventually, were these projects under what department in the county government was it falling?
That is the Department of Lands, the mother department.
The mother department is lands. And who was the CEC when this project was going on?
One Brian Langat.
One Brian Langat. Could you confirm that Brian Langat is a lawyer?
He's a lawyer.
He's a lawyer. Could you confirm that you've recruited him in the county assembly?
He is now a deputy director.
Just answer my question directly. He's a part of the county assembly, isn't it?
Yes.
And he's part of the witnesses in this impeachment of the governor, isn't it?
He is not.
Isn't he one of the people who are cited in the county assembly motion to impeach the governor?
But not in this program.
No. Just a minute. All I'm asking is that Brian Langat was part of this impeachment processes. He's one of the resource people you interviewed for purposes of impeaching the governor in these proceedings before the Senate, isn't it?
We interviewed two of the SAC.
Just answer, is Langat one of them?
He is not one of them.
You didn't interview him?
Now, he's an employee of the county assembly, unless in the previous motion.
Okay. Now, as we speak, it is true then that he was the CEC for lands when you are investigating Kasim Tani, isn't it?
That is true.
And it is true that the governor has removed him from employment, isn't it?
That is true.
So, to what extent then are you telling these honorable senators that indeed the Senate, His Excellency the governor has done nothing, when indeed it is on record? Just listen before you answer. I know you want to answer. To what extent can you say he has not done anything when, number one, he has forwarded the files to EACC, and number two, the only thing he could do, being to remove the person who is answerable to him, the CEC, he has sacked?
Council, that will be hypocritical because one, Wakili Brian Langat was the CEC. We have the CEO who is still serving.
Okay.
And that is the accounting officer.
Yes, sorry. Thank you very much. So you have, apart from the CEC, Brian, you also have the CEO and you have the county managers.
Yeah, the municipal managers.
Municipal managers, who are you are implicating.
Yes.
Now, could you tell the honorable senators, are they answerable to the governor?
Yeah, the governor is the CEO of the county.
Can he sack them?
He can sack the CECs, even the county chief officers. It's a disciplinary process.
Isn't it true that they are answerable to the Public Service Board?
In terms of
please just answer the
disciplinary
question.
action,
who employs them?
The Public Service Board.
And who disciplines them?
The Public Service Board.
And who retires them?
The Public Service Board.
So what are you trying to say then? Now, You say that the contractors, some of the contractors were improperly paid and that some youths and women came to complain to you, isn't it?
To the committee.
To the committee. You also saw the list provided in reply to your complaint, a list of youths and women saying they were paid. You saw that in response to the petition.
It is only...
Please answer the question.
It's only one list, one contractor with a list that shows some M-Pesa transaction, but you cannot confirm whether those monies were channeled to those numbers.
Could I ask the question, please? It is true that the governor has provided a list of women and youth who were paid in response to your complaint that some youths were not paid, isn't it?
Council, it's an amorphous list.
Please, let's not argue. Is it true that you've seen that the governor has provided a list of the youths?
It is in the report.
It's there. Okay. Now, these are the youths that you say have come to complain to you, youths and women. Has any of them, to the best of your knowledge, gone to court to complain about non-payment for work they had given to the county? Is there any case of a complaint that I have worked and I have not been paid filed in court?
They complained before the assembly.
I'm just asking you, are you aware of any court case?
I'm not aware about court case.
On this Kasim Tani?
Yes.
Are you aware of any complaint to the police on this Kasim Tani unpaid payments?
I'm not aware.
You're not aware. And Kasim Tani was done which year?
In 2023.
2023. So we have about 2 financial years between then and now, isn't it?
That is true.
Have you seen that issue of Kasim Tani featuring anywhere in the auditor's report? Because that is the only, that's an independent entity that would audit. Have you seen that case of Kasim Tani?
You're talking about the Auditor General's report?
Yes, Auditor General's report.
It featured in our reports as a...
Please answer my question. Has it featured in... You are interested. You're interested in impeaching the governor forever. So I want somebody independent. Has the Auditor General captured any complaint about Kasim Tani losses of money? To the best of your knowledge.
I'll have to... Okay, thank you. Already there is a report on other committee of Kasim Tani project implementation.
Mheshimiwa, that question is either yes or no.
Already there is a...
Are you aware of any Auditor General's report on that issue?
PPRA report.
Who has asked you about PPRA? Could you just wait, please? I've asked you about the Auditor General. Is there any report from Auditor General, to the best of your knowledge?
I'll need to check then.
To the best of your knowledge, Mheshimiwa.
Okay, not so far.
You're not aware. What of Londiani victims? Is there any, are you aware of any Auditor General's report on that Londiani loss you're claiming?
Of course, it cannot find
Please just
its way
answer the
to
question.
Auditor General's report.
It's not there?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, who did you say was in charge of who was the head of the county government's representation in the Londiani victims issue?
Dr. Wesley Bor.
It was Dr. Wesley Bor.
Yeah.
As we speak today, where is that Dr. Wesley Bor?
Dr. Wesley Bor exited service in the county government.
He left to work.
Yes.
And it is your case still that the governor has done nothing, yet he has retired Dr. Wesley Bor?
Dr. Wesley Bor resigned. He was not removed by the governor.
How do you know that he didn't remove him?
Because...
Okay, so anyway, an action has been taken, isn't it?
It is not the governor who took the action.
Was he answerable to the governor?
Yes.
He was answerable to the governor?
Yes.
And do you know whether the governor then told him to resign? Do you know that for a fact?
Now...
Do you know or you don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know that, okay. Now, in your report for Londiani, you also interviewed somebody by the name Edna Tonu, isn't it? And implicated her in that report.
It was...
was Edna Tonu
the CEC
one of
judge
the people
in charge of health?
Yes. Was she mentioned in that report?
As a CEC.
And you made recommendations?
Part of the committee, that's okay.
You made recommendations about her, isn't it? About the need to discipline her, isn't it?
Those who were...
Please just answer the question.
She
Edna
was not
Tonu
part of
was
them.
mentioned.
She was not part of the... She was not part of those who were recommended to be disciplined.
Okay, but she was in health.
Counsel for the governor, your time is up, unfortunately.
Mr. Speaker, sir, could I very kindly plead for about 10 minutes, kindly?
Very well.
Thank you very
10 minutes
much.
to conclude.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. Did you